You might be faced with the task of having to distribute passport pictures on a canvas for printing. Chances are that you run into problems of correct alignment and distribution. In this video, let's learn how to distribute multiple passport images on a canvas the easy and fast way. I have a stock image of a dog behind the laptop, which I'm going to place on my canvas, which is over here. And let's begin by duplicating the image layer. So let's do this by holding down Ctrl and pressing J multiple times. If you are using a Mac, you hold down Command. Now, if the last copy is still selected, you click and drag it whilst you hold down Shift to your right. With the last image still selected, hold down Shift and click on the first layer. This ensures that all layers we duplicated are selected. Now we click on the three dots up here to reveal our align and distribute options. Make sure the align to is on selection, and then we click to distribute to left edge. Let's merge the layers into one by pressing Ctrl E. On Mac, you press Command E. We then do another set of duplications 5 times. With the last duplicated layer still selected, we hold down Shift, click and drag it downwards. Now we hold down Shift and select the first layer to ensure that all duplicated layers are selected. Once again, we go to where our 3 dots are and then we select Distribute Vertical Centers.